All right, so welcome to Friday, third graders. As you know, we made it, we're changing math from Tuesday to Friday. This will give us a little break in between our week and move things around a little. So today we are going to start with practicing and reviewing our skip counting by 6s, 7s, and 8s like we did yesterday. So let's start with our 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60, and back, 60, 54, 48, 42, 36, 30, 24, 18, 12, 6. Now let's practice our skip counting by 7s. 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63, 70, and back, 70, 63, 56, 49, 42, 35, 28, 21, 14, 7. And now we're going to practice skip counting with our 8s. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, 80, 72, 64, 56, 48, 40, 32, 24, 16, 8. All right, so now that we've practiced solving the missing factor for multiplication, we're going to be working with solving the missing factor for division. So let's quick review. So if I have 2 times 3 equals 6, I know I can change that into 4 different equations. So remember, always for multiplication, I can go 3 times 2 equals 6. I can use these 3 numbers to make that. And is that true? If I count by 3s to my second finger, does it bring me to 6? 3, 6? It does. So now I know that I can take these 3 numbers and move it into my division sentence. I can make 6, and then I can go 3, and then 2. And remember, the thing about division is I have a total of 6. I'm dividing it up into 3 groups. 2 are in each group. And I should have a total of 6. So it's kind of like multiplication except backwards. So then again, I have to keep the 6 the same, because always the first number of division is going to be the total. So I can't switch it like I do over here. So in both equations, the total stays the same, but I can switch my 2 parts. I can make 6, and I have 2 groups with 3 in each. It gives me a total of 6. All right, so now let's go back. So remember, for division, 10 is my total. The next number is going to be how many groups, and the next number is how many in each group. So that's how I can solve. So my total is 10. I have 5 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have 5 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 2 in each of them. So now, since I know when I have my division and multiplication, and I have them, I can make them into the other problem. I can switch it and make it into a multiplication, where I start with my 5 is how many groups times how many in each group equals 10, my total. So we're going to practice switching from a division problem, making it into a multiplication problem, and then solving. So I know 6 is my total, divided by blank, this is what we're solving for, equals 3. So if I wanted to change it into a multiplication problem, I know my total goes at the bottom. And how many groups goes here? So it would be question mark times, this is how many in each group, times 3 equals 6. So I could solve for it this way, where I can write out my multiplication. 1 times 3 equals 3. 2 times 3 equals 6. So I know my answer would be 2. And then I can always double check it by 6 is my total, 2 groups. 6 divided by 2 equals 3. That's how many are in each group. So now let's look over here. So now I can do it also a different way, where I have a total of 2 divided by blank equals 1. So my total is 2. It's divided into how many groups equals how many in each group. So I want 1 in each group. So it would be 2 divided by 2 equals 1, because this is one group, this is my second group, 1 in each group. 2 divided by 2 equals 1. So you can solve for it either switching it into a multiplication problem or just drawing out a picture right away. So let's go over here. Now my total is missing. So my total, I don't know, but divided by 4 equals 1. So I'm going to make this into a multiplication problem. I know my total is always at the end, but my how many groups times how many in each group equal what we're solving for. So if I count by 4s to my first finger, 4, our answer is 4. So 4 divided by 4 equals 1. So this one I solved through changing it into a multiplication problem. Now let's solve this one by making it into groups. So I know that I'm missing my total divided by 8 groups equal 6 in each group. So I'm going to have to draw my 8 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And how many in each group? 6. So I'm going to go by 6. And I'm going to go up by, I'm going to count by 6s to figure out my total, because remember, we're solving for the total. 6, 12, 18, 27, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48. So I ended up with a total of 48. So we're going to be working with finding our answer to our missing factor of division. So you can either switch it into a multiplication problem or you can draw out the picture. All right, and to end, we're going to practice skip counting by our 9s. So right up here, I know I start with 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 80, 89, I think I might have messed up. Let's restart. 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72. I'm sorry, it's 81, not 80. 81, 90. So now let's go back, forwards and backwards. 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81, 90. 90, 81, 72, 63, 54, 45, 36, 27, 18, 9. So now let's practice with just our hands without looking at the paper. 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81, 90, 90, 81, 72, 63, 54, 45, 36, 27, 18, 9. All right, that is it for today. Your homework assignment is going to be on Edmodo for iExcel. And remember to keep practicing your skip counting at home. Thank you. Bye.